Before proceeding to the Queen City of the South for the ASEAN Summit and related meetings, the president took his hit relief and assistance roadshow to Muntinlupa City for yet another round of aid distribution and financial donations to the city's communities or barangays. But before the 200,000 peso financial assistance turnover, the introductory handout of 10-kilo bags of rice took place, much to the delight of the hundreds of recipients and onlookers. The full report from our Kenneth Paciente.
Charmaine is an incoming fourth-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. She admits that with the many expenses, it has been a challenge for her parents to support her studies.
Si Papa po, barker po yung sa jeep po, nagtatawag po. Tapos po si Mama po, wala po siyang work as of now. Tumutulong lang po siya sa tindahan po ng lola ko po.
So struggle din talaga yung gastos.
Opo.
Because of this, the government aims to address the needs of students like Charmaine. The Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program rolled out in Muntinlupa City, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Part of the program is the distribution of 200,000 pesos per barangay in the city, half of which is allocated for 5 presidential scholars from each of the 9 barangays. According to the President, this is one way to ensure that students with potential but limited financial means can continue their education.
Ang edukasyon ay ay napakahalaga na yaman na makukuha ninyo kapag maganda ang pinag-aralan ninyo. At itong yaman na ito, hindi ito malalagas, hindi ito makukuha, hindi ito kayang agawin o nakawin ng kahit sino. At habang buhay, nasa sa inyo na yan. At habang buhay, tutulong sa inyo yan.
Sobrang laking tulong po kasi as of now po, ang dami din po naming bayarin sa school. And sobrang laking tulong po since makakatulong din po ako kila mama na mabawasan po yung expenses po namin. Sisipagan ko pa lalo. Ganun po sa studies ko, pagbubutihan ko pa po.
Meanwhile, the remaining portion of the 200,000 pesos will be allocated by barangay captains for the needs of their communities.
Iba-iba po yung aming bibilin ng bawat barangay. Depende sa pangangailangan. Meron pong gagamitin sa pagbili ng tent, pagbili ng chairs, monoblock chairs. Yung iba po ay electric bike, yung iba ay computer.
The President said that this is beneficial since local chief executives best understand the needs of their communities.
Wala naman siguro magsasabi sa inyo ng barangay chairman, mas alam namin yung barangay ninyo kaysa sa inyo. Sabi ko, mga local government, bawat bahay, alam nila yung sitwasyon doon, alam nila kaya nakikita natin, talagang diretso sa tao ang magiging tulong.
The program also includes the distribution of 10 kilos of rice to around 1,900 families in the city.
Ito ay isang bahagi ng LGSF na pag-release na lahat ng mga nangangailangan, basta't yan po ay kasama sa na-identify ng ating mga local government officials, ay kasama po sa listahan yan at pagbibigyan po natin ng itong mga nakikita niyong sako ng bigas, tigsa 10 kilo.
Malaking tulong ito para sa akin, sa pamilya ko. Kasi sa halip na bibili ka ng bigas, maibili mo na rin ng iba, katulad ng pang-ulam, maintenance na gamot. Para sa akin, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako. Dahil sa bigay na 10 kilong bigas, malaking katulungan po para sa amin. Kaya maraming salamat.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.